What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another inbox model kit review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Glencoe models 1 to 400 scale SS United States. Now if you are aware, I have already reviewed and built a 1 to 600 Revell SS United States. Now I made that video a couple of months ago and I said how much I really enjoyed building that kit. And I still stand by that. Now, this is a reinforced cover that obviously came when I was posting when the kit was being posted. So, but it served well because the box is in amazing condition, at least in better condition than my SS France model. So, let's just go ahead and open this. Now, I'm going to have to put the camera at a very awkward angle. There we go. So, that's that open now. And just look how beautiful that artwork is. If I'm not mistaken, that's similar artwork that's on the Revell kit. Or at least it looks somewhat like it. So yeah, this is a 1950s ocean liner, although it was built in the 1930s. Very popular ship, made in USA. And yeah, I did order this from the US. This is probably one of the most expensive kits I've ever owned. I bought mine for about just under 300 euros. I don't know what that is in US terms, but case in point, it's actually before we open it. Let's take a look at the side. Sorry, I have to prop this up with one hand here. So, there's a cross section of the ship. It looks absolutely amazing. It's a full hull. Now, it's not like the Revell one where it's only a waterline model. And I've mentioned before how I didn't like the waterline ships, but after building the SS United States kit by Revell, I really liked it. So yeah, there's just a quick overview of the ship. Now the real ship still exists. It's in Philadelphia, and it's not really in the best condition. And personally speaking, I have a funny feeling they're going to scrap it. I hope that's not the case. You can see there's still all the packaging sitting in here. So let's take a look at this. So we have these very weird railing decals. I think they're railing decals. If not, maybe they just go along the boat deck or something like that. I don't know until we get to constructing it, but they have some flags around here, but the decals don't look like they are in the most amazing condition. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a tiny bit of, I think that looks like water damage or mold. Yeah, I don't know, not cartograph, doesn't look like cartograph anyway. And we have another set of decals. Very strange. There's your instructions, just like the SS Savannah that I've reviewed already. The instructions are ridiculously simple, but they're higher quality, so there's a nice overview of the ship there. Painting and decal section. Oh yes, I see. So maybe the decals go here, or maybe on the railings. I don't know, but yep. So a full line ship looks absolutely beautiful. Oh yes, there's where they go. Don't know how that's going to work, but we'll just have to wait and see. I don't know if this kit actually comes with railings, so what I'm going to do is I might get some photo etch. I think that would look nice. My Lusitania kit comes with photo etch. Now, I haven't started construction on that, but I will soon. So, let's take a look at the absolutely massive... this has to be just about 2 feet in length. I can't even get it all on camera. Actually, maybe I can do this. Nope. I can't go into focus, but there is portholes, so if you want to install a lighting kit in this, I'm not sure if I will on mine, but yeah, now I have very small hands, so it's not going to be good to scale, but it's heavy, like it's very well built, but luckily it comes in 2 pieces instead of 1, so yeah, in case you don't know much about building old ocean liner kits, they usually come in 2 halves, the hull does, and it is a nightmare. It's such a nightmare to glue these 2 ends together, but now they come in one solid chunk of plastic, just like the SS France one does. And yeah, so there's the propeller connections there and the keel, and there's a connection if you want to place, oh, that's some bad, oh, wow. So yeah, you have connections there, so if you want to place it on a stand, it's supposed to come with a stand. As you can see, there's some pieces sitting around there for it, but mine didn't. Now, judging by the molding looks good. Doesn't look great, but doesn't look bad either. So, you know what? For a kit, oh, it does come with a stand. Yeah, there you go. It's a full wooden stand, which is interesting. I think I might put a I don't know, maybe some paint. I might paint it a brownish color, but retain the wood grain. So there's some of the deckings there. Looks absolutely beautiful. I'm astounded just how thick these plastic pieces are. Nice big, and some of the things have fallen off the sprue. That's to be expected. Now I'm not going to take these out of the bag because, again, this is going to be sitting on my shelf for a while, so I don't want pieces hanging around, but I think you kind of get the idea. That looks like the forecastle sitting there, so yeah. And some of the bridge wings and stuff, all very good, and then the pegs are in there for the stands. All in all, I cannot wait to build this. It's going to take a while. It's going to be tedious, and it's going to have some hard and difficult and awkward parts, but you know what? I can't wait for it. I think it's going to be really, really fun, and I cannot wait to show you guys when this kit is finished, because it's such a beautiful kit, and you know, there's not very many of these out there, but for the few that are, it's definitely worth it, because if you like the SS United States, you're going to love this kit. You really are. Now let's see how we can get these pieces back in. Not going to put them all in, but yeah. So there you go, SS United States model kit inbox review. Hopefully you stick around and I'll show you the finished kit, though granted, it's probably going to take me over a year to build this. So, yeah, I guess really that's just about it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I suppose I'll see you in the next video. So, take care.